Investing in a well-made, energy-efficient front-loading or top-loading washing machine can ensure you're always looking sharp. The best washing machines remove stains, help prevent wrinkles, and get rid of odors from your clothes. Over the years, we've tested hundreds of washers to evaluate their stain removal, efficiency, capacity, and ease of use. Out of all of the washing machines we've tested, these are the cream of the crop. Between their cleaning performance and their cutting-edge features, these washing machine reviews check all the right boxes. Now, before we dive in, make sure to use our links. They will take you to the latest discount for every product we talk about. Let's get going. Number 5. Miele WXR860WCS. If you're looking for a compact washer without compromising on cleaning power, the Miele washer is one of our top picks. It delivers the same cleaning performance you'd expect from a full-size machine, but all within a sleek, space-saving frame. One of the standout features is its spin cycle. The Miele removes more water from your laundry than many standard-sized washers, which means your dryer doesn't have to work as hard. That not only saves you time, but also helps cut down on your energy bill. For anyone in a small apartment or with limited laundry space, this combination of compact design and powerful performance is a real win. Of course, this convenience comes at a price. Even among other compact washers, the W1 is on the higher end. But when you consider the results, clothes that come out cleaner, fresher, and with less moisture, the investment is hard to argue with. Simply put, you won't find this level of performance in another compact washer on the market. With the Miele W1 WXR860WCS, you get compact size, impressive cleaning power, and an efficient spin cycle, all packaged in a premium, reliable design. If space is limited but performance is a priority, this washer is a standout choice that's worth every penny. Number 4. LG WM60700HBA. If you're looking for a washer that combines futuristic design with real performance, the LG WM60700HBA is a standout option for busy families. Right off the bat, the washer impresses with its massive 5 cubic foot drum, which means you can tackle larger loads and dramatically improve your laundry throughput. Speed is another highlight. Most cycles finish incredibly fast, letting you power through piles of laundry without wasting time. For extra convenience, the LG WM60700HBA features an automatic detergent dispenser, reducing the manual effort required and making laundry day less of a chore. When it comes to cleaning performance, this washer doesn't disappoint. It handles most stains effectively, leaving clothes fresh and spotless. The one exception is its AI-powered wash cycle, which took noticeably longer than other cycles and didn't deliver quite the same level of cleaning. Even so, this is a minor drawback compared to its overall performance. With a sleek, modern design and family-friendly features, the LG WM60700HBA isn't just functional. It's a washer that fits into a busy household lifestyle. Large drum capacity, fast cycles, and smart automation make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to save time and effort while still getting outstanding results. Overall, if you want a high-performing, reliable, and smart washer, the LG washer checks all the boxes and is an easy recommendation for families who need efficiency and convenience without compromising on performance. Number 3. Electrolux ELFW7637AT. If you're looking for a washing machine that gets everything right, the Electrolux ELFW7637AT checks all the boxes. After extensive testing, it's clear this model is not just functional. It's smart, versatile, and designed to make laundry day easier. Performance is where the Electrolux truly shines. It tackles a wide range of stains, from protein-based spots to stubborn oils, leaving clothes looking fresh and clean. The built-in water heater adds even more versatility, letting you sanitize clothing against common bacteria like E. coli, reduce allergens, and keep whites looking bright and vibrant. But it's not just about cleaning. Electrolux has packed this washer with thoughtful features that improve everyday use. For example, there's a dedicated spot in the detergent drawer for Tide Pods, ensuring even distribution instead of tossing them directly into the drum. The extended refresh feature is another handy addition, tumbling clothes after the cycle finishes to prevent mustiness if you're not ready to fold them immediately. Design and build quality also stand out. From the clean, easy-to-read text on the control panel to the satisfying click of the dial, it's clear that Electrolux focused on both functionality and aesthetics. With its generous drum capacity, excellent cleaning performance, and user-friendly features, the Electrolux washing machine is perfect for most families. Whether it's tackling everyday laundry or handling more delicate or heavily soiled items, it delivers consistent results. That's why it earns the top spot in our washing machine rankings. Truly a reliable, high-performing appliance for any household. Number 2. GE Profile PFQ97HSPVDS. If you're looking for a washer-dryer combo that actually delivers on both fronts, the GE washer-dryer combo is a standout choice. Unlike many combo units that compromise on either washing or drying, this model uses the same drum for both tasks, and it excels at each. In our testing, it scrubbed out stains more effectively than most dedicated washing machines, making it a real multitasking powerhouse. The drum itself is a generous 4.8 cubic feet and comes with a microban coating. That means surfaces that are frequently touched, like the door and drum edges, resist mold and bacterial growth, keeping your laundry environment cleaner and more hygienic. Based on our previous testing of microban coatings, it's highly effective and gives this machine a noticeable edge over standard washers. Energy efficiency is another highlight, especially on the drying side thanks to advanced heat pump technology. You'll get excellent drying performance without the huge energy costs typical of conventional dryers, which is great for anyone looking to reduce utility bills while still getting high-quality results. Overall, the GE PFQ97HSPVDS combines smart engineering, effective stain removal, and energy-efficient drying into a compact, all-in-one package. If you want a washer-dryer that doesn't force compromises, this unit is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for anyone with limited space, but who still wants the performance of full-sized washing and drying machines. Number 1. Samsung WH46DBH500EV. If you're tight on space but still want a full-sized washer and dryer, stacking is usually the go-to solution, but it often comes with one major drawback. The dryer controls can be hard to reach. That's where the Samsung bespoke WH46DBH500EVA3 changes the game. This is a pre-stacked laundry hub, designed with the control panel conveniently placed between the washer and dryer, so everything is right at your fingertips. But the Samsung isn't just about convenience. The washer can continue to tumble after a cycle to prevent wrinkles, while the dryer can notify your smartphone when it's the perfect time to remove clothes for ironing. There's even a flex detergent dispenser that automatically measures the right amount of soap based on the load and cycle, saving you time and avoiding waste. Of course, features are only part of the story. When it comes to cleaning performance, this laundry hub doesn't disappoint. Lab tests show it excels at removing stains across all cycles, with one standout, AI OptiWash. This intelligent system adjusts cycle times, water usage, and spin speed based on what it detects inside the drum, delivering optimized cleaning every time. So if you want a space-saving laundry solution without compromising on performance or convenience, the Samsung bespoke washer and dryer is hard to beat. From smart features to powerful cleaning, it's designed to make laundry faster, easier, and more efficient, all while keeping your space organized. That concludes today's session, everyone. We trust this information was helpful. If so, please like our video and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Wishing you a great day, stay safe, and keep progressing.